All right, you guys, this is Air Force Scott shooting this video real quick. This is the top of the week. This is Friday. Hopefully, you guys had an amazing week trading and just overall life period. Hopefully, you'll have the chance to relax, enjoy your time with your family, your friends, or whatever you desire to do over the weekend. But I just wanted to shoot this video to give you the results of our Golden Key strategy. If you don't know what the Golden Key strategy is, it is a strategy that we have developed to simplify the trading for any trader, regardless if they're beginners, intermediate, or advanced. And from what I've seen in all of my 4 to 5 years of trading, this strategy alone is the easiest strategy to follow, but will give you the best results possible. I'm telling you, I've tried multiple things. I am very successful when it comes to trading and when it comes to network marketing. But when it dials down to understanding the charts, the technicals, the fundamentals, the influentials, anything that's going on behind price, there's a lot to learn. I am always a student. I am always finding new ways to sharpen my skill set. But when I came across this strategy and I shared this strategy with the team, we have had winning days onto winning weeks since. We have not been losing since we've utilized this strategy. Not only that, it helps us simplify our trading. We're not all over the place. You don't have to trade all through the day. You don't have to trade every single pair. You don't have to take every single signal. Once you understand the power of this Golden Key strategy, it will simplify your trading journey. It will simplify your trading journal, and it will give you the results that you truly deserve. So I'm going to pull out a few pairs. Right now, we're on gold. We started with gold. I back tested it on gold. So that's where we came up with the name of the Golden Key strategy. But the strategy not only works for gold. I'm going to pull up some other pairs and indices to show you how potent this strategy is. And if you're looking at it right now, these trades that you're seeing are the setups that me and my team had the opportunity to take. Most of us took every single one of them, but these are the results that you could have gotten based off of this strategy. Now, this is today. Notice today we had a drop. This is why our entry here, we got an entry right here on this drop of gold, and we caught 300 pips. It went into drawdown just a little bit. It didn't really go too further into drawdown, nowhere near our stop loss, and we caught 300 pips on this trade. Notice here, this trade we caught 70 pips. This trade we caught minus 50 pips. We caught a loss on this trade, but even though we did catch the loss, it was just a stop hunt. Notice we got some market structure down here and some order blocks down here. If we had extended our stop loss, which is what I don't recommend, it's okay to take losses, but if we had extended our stop loss based off of market structure, this would have been a winning trade as well. But notice the trade before that, we did catch the sale on the way down for 80 pips. We caught another 230 pips here. We caught another 120 pips here. And then on this trade at the top, we caught another 270 pips. The Golden Key strategy gave over 1,000 pips on gold alone this week. Six wins, 1 losses. That's just gold. So imagine taking this strategy, learning the strategy once you decide to join the team. You learn the strategy after I teach it to you, and you can trade gold by itself, and you could have caught up to 1,000 pips, 7 trades. Out of the 7 trades, 6 wins, 1 losses, up to 1,000 pips. If you can catch 1,000 pips a week, consistently, you will be a very successful trader in the next 6 months to a year. You will probably be a 6-figure trader in the next 6 months to a year, depending on how you compound your account. But guess what? That's just gold. You don't have to only utilize the strategy on gold. I'm going to pull up the nasty Nas. This is an indice. This indice is very, very volatile. Some people are very scared to trade it. I know some people that are very successful trading it, but it is very, very risky. If you are a beginner, it can blow your account. But I don't care if you're a beginner, an intermediate, or advanced trader. This Golden Key strategy is going to give you what you need to find the best setups possible based on the strategies, the technicals, and what we teach. But with this strategy, same rules apply from gold. Now we are on Nas. Notice these results. This was today. Notice how Nas was going up. Matter of fact, let's start with Sunday. Sunday, we had a small A little bit of consolidation. I recommend not trading on a Sunday, but even with the golden key strategy, it gave us 65 pips on this buy. This is not the sell, this buy. Now, if you had not put your, of course, you had not moved your stop loss above your entry, break even, or trailed the market, that eventually would have taken you out. But what I tell all traders, regardless of what strategy it is, if you're 20 to 25 pips in profit, make sure you're securing profits, whether you're taking partial profits on the way up, whether you're utilizing a trailing stop loss on your MT4, or you're just manually moving your stop loss further and further into profit. So as long as you're following those rules when it comes to trading, you would have caught those 65 pips. Notice this trade here. This is Monday. Notice how it went directly into profit. It never came back. You literally could have been holding this one trade from Monday all week long. And if you had done so to the close of the day, you would have caught 525 pips just from Monday's entry, which is amazing. You could have caught this trade. Now, I have people on the team. Shout out to the team. I got people on the team that actually did hold this trade throughout the entire week. Not only did they hold this trade from Monday, they caught another setup on Tuesday for 130 pips. They caught another setup the following day for 140 pips. We had one loss, 6 wins, 1 loss, over 1,190 pips profit, all from the golden key on NAS, Nasty Nas, the NASDAQ 100, the top 100 companies in the United States stocks market. It is an index. It is very, very volatile. Trading NAS can turn you into a 6-figure trader if you utilize this golden key strategy. You can be, again, you can be a beginner. Follow the steps. You'll know exactly when to take the trade. You'll know exactly what to do. You know exactly how to set your parameters. You know what you're looking for with this golden key strategy. We're not talking about your Fibonacci's. We're not talking about trend channels. We're not talking support and resistance. None of that. Even though all of the things that you learn up to your journey, all of the things that I've learned can help with confluence, it can help with confirmation. But as you notice on the chart, there are no lines on my chart. I don't need to necessarily have to be a professional technical analyst on a chart, or a chartologist, as they would say. I'm telling you, the strategy alone doesn't focus on that. I can't necessarily tell you what the strategy is because you're not a part of the team. But guess what? We're going to go even further. That was Nasty Nas. That's very, very volatile. Let's go to US, the 500, the S&P, the SPX. Notice on Sunday, 140 pips, 320 pips, 200 pips. Yeah, we caught one loss again. It seems for some odd reason, we was catching 6 wins and 1 losses on each instrument. We went 6-1 with gold, 6-1 with NASDAQ. We also went 6-1 with the S&P. And we caught well over 1,200 pips. So that is 18 wins, 3 losses, and well over 3,000 pips profit 1 week, 1 strategy, 3 instruments. Your instruments was gold, Nasty Nas, NASDAQ 100, and your S&P 500. So imagine being a beginner trader. I don't care what your level of experience is. Imagine being able to focus on 1 strategy, 3 pairs or 3 instruments, and catch anywhere between 1,000 to 3,000 a week every single week. You can start off with a $100 account if you want to. You can start off with a $1,000 account if you want to. It really does not matter. You know that this strategy is going to give you what you need every single week. You don't have to fight yourself. You don't have to find which strategy is going to work. You don't have to look for the technicals and draw up all your charts. And even though that works, I'm not telling you shouldn't do that. That is fine. But what I'm telling you is, with this strategy, it is truly the key to your financial success. It is the key that is going to open the doors for your consecutive trading. That way you can become a very successful trader, because there's some people, they'll have a good day or a good week, and then the next week they have a bad week or a bad month. I'm telling you, once you learn this golden key strategy and you back test, there is no bad weeks. There is no bad months. You may have a losing day. every once in a while. Notice we did catch a loss in US 500 or S&P 500. We also caught a loss on gold. We catch losses. It's not perfect. It's not 100% guaranteed. Nothing is. But what I'm telling you, this will be the best strategy that you have ever seen. And I'm saying that with confidence because I have people on the team that may have been struggling before they learned the strategy. They are not struggling anymore. I can guarantee you that. So if you're interested, if you want to take your trading to another level, I don't care how long you've been trading. I don't care how much of an experience that you have, what level of trader you are. If you need something that's going to enhance your strategies or your trading, this golden key strategy is everything that you've been looking for up to this point. There's people in the group that wish that they knew this strategy when they first got started trading because they wouldn't have blew all of them accounts they blown. I am the exact same way. I would not have lost all of that money at first if I had just knew or been taught this strategy. This strategy, people have paid thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars just to learn this strategy. And what I'm telling you is once you join the team and you get familiar with the team and you plug into the winner's circle, I'm going to teach you the strategy to truly set you free, because you deserve the opportunity to become financially free. And regardless what you do in life, and if you're a trader, if you want to be a successful trader, this strategy is your key. So hopefully you have an amazing weekend. Hopefully you make the best decision, the right decision, not only for you, not only for your family, but for anybody that you come across. Once you learn this strategy, you are of value to anyone that you come across in your life. I'll see you guys in the next video.